Dear children, today I am going to explain exercise 13.1, question number 3. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Then find the total surface area of the toy. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter. A toy is in the form of a cone of a radius. This radius is 3.5 centimeter. Mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. Mounted on a hemisphere. Mounted on a hemisphere. This one is a hemisphere. And this cone is mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. Of same radius. Radius of this cone and radius of this hemisphere, both it is same only. So same radius. It is mounted on a hemisphere. That is, cone is mounted on a hemisphere. So this one is the toy. See this one. This one is the toy. This cone is mounted on a hemisphere. The total height of the toy is total height from here to here. That is the total height. Total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Then what is the question? Find the total surface area of the toy. Total surface area of this toy we have to find out. How can we find out the total surface area of this toy? Total surface area of the toy is equal to curved surface area of the cone. Curved surface area of the cone, that is this surface area. Curved surface area of the cone plus curved surface area of the hemisphere. This one is the curved surface area of the hemisphere. So adding both then we will get the total surface area of this toy. Curved surface area of the cone plus curved surface area of the hemisphere. Curved surface area of the cone. Curved surface area of the cone is equal to, what is the formula? Pi r L plus curved surface area of the cone, pi r L plus curved surface area of the hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. Curved surface area of the cone, pi r L, curved surface area of the hemisphere, 2 pi r square. Adding these two, we will get the total surface area of the cone. Sorry, total surface area of the toy. So how can we draw this figure? Let's draw that figure and we will mark all the values there. First you have to draw a hemisphere and above that there is a cone. And that is the hemisphere, above that there is a cone. And it is given there, a toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter. Radius 3.5 centimeter. This radius is 3.5 centimeter. Mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. Hemisphere also same radius only, that is 3.5 centimeter. And it is given there, the total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Total height of the toy. Total height of the toy. This one is the total height of the toy. Total height of the toy is equal to 15.5 centimeter. Total height it is 15.5 centimeter. Then find the total surface area of the toy. So we have to find out the total surface area of the toy. Then total surface area of the toy is equal to, what is the formula? Curved surface area of the cone, that is pi r L, plus curved surface area of the hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square. So here you see, pi we know that value, 22 divided by 7. Radius of the cone is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Slant height L, it is not given there in the question. So first we have to find out the slant height L. Then 2 into pi 22 by 7. Radius of the hemisphere, that is 3.5 centimeter. It is given there in the question. So slant height L, how can we find out slant height L? L is equal to, what is the formula? Square root of h square plus r square. Then height of the cone and radius of the cone we need, but height of the cone it is not given there. But we can find out from the total height of the toy. Total height of the toy, we can find out the height of the cone. What is this height? This one. That is the radius of the hemisphere. So this one it will be 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. Then what is the height of the cone? Total height of the toy it is 15.5 centimeter. And the height of this hemisphere, that is the radius of the hemisphere only, 3.5 centimeters. So what is the height of the cone? Height of the cone is equal to 15.5 centimeter minus 3.5 centimeter. Total height it is 15.5 and this height it is 3.5. So 15.5 minus 3.5 centimeter, we will get the height of the cone. After that we have to find out the slant height. Then only we will get the total surface area of the toy. Okay, now first we have to write the given values, that is radius of cone. Radius of a cone R is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Radius of hemisphere. Same only, radius of hemisphere also we can write small letter r, that is same only, that is 3.5 centimeter. Next one, total height of toy. Total height of the toy it is given there. Total height of the toy is equal to how much centimeter? 15.5 centimeter. Therefore, height of cone. Therefore, height of cone is equal to height of the cone h is equal to, what is the answer? 15.5 minus 3.5, that is equal to 15.5 minus 3.5. 5 minus 5, 0, 0.5 minus 3, 2, 1, that is 12.0, we can write as 12 centimeter. 15.5 minus 3.5, that is 12 centimeter. Then height h is equal to 12 centimeter. Therefore, we have to find out, what do we have to find out? Slant height L. Slant height L is equal to, slant height of cone L is equal to, what is the formula? Square root of h square plus r square, that is equal to square root of h square. What is the height? 12 square plus r square. Radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter, that is 3.5 square, that is equal to square root of 12 square, 12 into 12, that is 144 plus 35 into 35, what is the answer? 1225, 1225. 3.5 into 3.5 means 2 decimal points it will come, so 12.25 will come, 12.25, that is equal to square root of 144 plus 12.25, add it, 144 plus 12.25, 144.00 plus 12.25, 5 plus 0, 5, 2 plus 0, 2, 4 plus 2, 6, 4 plus 1, 5, 1, 156.25, 156.25, that is equal to 156.25, square root of 156.25. How can we find out that? Using this long division method only we will get that one. 156.25. Using a long division method we will find out the square root of 156.25. Then first you make it as a pair, 56 is a pair and 25 is another one pair. 1 we cannot make it as a pair. Find out a perfect square less than or equal to 1, that is 1 only. 1 ones are 1. Then a reminder, subtract it, 1 minus 1, 0. Bring down the next pair, 56. 1 plus 1, that is 2. We have to find out a digit here. 23 into 20, 23 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6. Above 56 will come. So 22 only. 22 into 2. 22 into 2, that is 44. Now subtract it. 6 minus 4, 2, 5 minus 4, 1. Then this decimal point we have to put it here. After that only we can bring down the next pair, that is 25. Now 22 plus 2, that is 24. Now we have to find out a digit here. 240. Let's check 245. 245 into 5. 5 5s are 25 5. A reminder 2. 4 5s are 20 plus 2, 22 2. Reminder 2. 2 5s are 10 plus 2, 12. Yes, 1225. So 245 into 5 is equal to 1225. Now a reminder 0. So what is the square root of 156.25? That is 12.5. 12.5 centimeter. That is the slant height of that cone. Now we can find out the total surface area of the toy. Therefore, total surface area of the toy is equal to total surface area of the toy is equal to curved surface area of cone, curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of a hemisphere, curved surface area of a hemisphere. That is equal to curved surface area of cone. What is the formula? Pi RL plus curved surface area of hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square, that is equal to pi 22 divided by 7 into radius 3.5 into slant height 12.5 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into r square 3.5 into 3.5, then that is equal to 3.5 divided by 7 we can cancel. 3.5 into 1, 3.5. 3.5 into 2 it will come 7. 3.5 into 2, 7. 22 divided by 2, 11. 11 into 1, 11 into 12.5 plus here 3.5 ones are 3.5, 3.5 twos are 3.5 plus 3.5, that is 7. So 3.5 twos are 7. 2 we can cancel. 22 into 1, 22 into 3.5. Now that is equal to 11 into 12.5. Multiply that. 11 into 12.5. We can multiply it here. 125 into 11. 5 2 1. 5 2 1. 5 plus 2 7. 2 plus 1 3 1. How many decimal points? 1 decimal point. So it will come 137.5. 5 plus 2 7, 2 plus 1 3 1. 137.5. 137.5 plus 22 into 3.5. 3.5 into 22. 5 twos are 10 0 remainder 1. 3 twos are 6 plus 1 7. 2 5s are 10 0 remainder 1. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7 0 7 7. How many decimal point? 1 decimal point. So it will come 77. That is equal to 137.5 plus 77.0. 5 7 plus 7 14 4 remainder 1. 7 plus 3 10 plus 1 11 1 remainder 1 1 plus 1 2. So what is answer? 214.5 centimeter square. 214.5 centimeter square. That is the total surface area of that toy.